In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring crypto buys on the Binance website using your desktop. This is a fantastic way to automate your cryptocurrency purchases and take advantage of dollar cost averaging, making your investment strategy more consistent and hands-off. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Binance account. Head over to the website and enter your login credentials securely. Once you're in, let's navigate to the top menu where it says Buy Crypto. Hover over it and select Credit Debit Card from the drop-down options. This is the gateway to setting up your recurring crypto purchases. Now, on this page, there's an essential switch to remember. It's the Recurring Buy toggle. You'll need to enable this to set your automatic purchases in motion. With that toggle engaged, let's move on to choosing your currencies. Decide on the fiat currency you'll be using for your purchases, and then select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Binance offers a variety of options, so make sure you pick the one that best suits your investment goals. Once you've chosen your currencies, click on the Recurring Buy option again if prompted. It's time to determine how frequently you'd like these purchases to occur. Binance offers a few schedules. You can opt to buy daily, every week, every 2 weeks, or monthly. After selecting the frequency, zero in on the exact day and time for these transactions to happen. This level of customization allows you to align your investments with your financial schedule seamlessly. Next up is confirming your payment method. If you haven't saved any payment information yet or want to use a different card, you can add a new Visa or MasterCard. Binance permits up to 5 different card entries on your account, so you have some flexibility here. Make sure all your card details are entered accurately to avoid any disruptions. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to review your order details. Prices in the crypto world can change rapidly, and the quotes you see might expire in as little as 1 minute. Don't worry, there's a handy refresh button you can use to update the pricing to the latest figures. Staying vigilant during this step ensures you know exactly what you're committing to. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click Continue, and then Confirm to lock in your plan. One helpful tip to note is that your first purchase will be executed immediately, so you'll want to ensure all details are correct and to your liking. After this initial buy, the rest will follow your specified schedule, allowing you to sit back and focus on other things while your crypto investments continue to grow. And that's it. You've successfully set up a recurring buy plan on Binance. Be sure to keep an eye on your email for any confirmations or updates. By automating your crypto buys, you're taking a smart step towards managing your investments more efficiently. Happy investing, and thank you for watching.